We're in the middle of a snowstorm and we're about to open a 151 versus Journey Together boxes. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like outside. It's around like deep. It's snowing really hard. It's actually really snowing. The whole entire truck's just covered in snow. It's covered in snow. Solid snow. Oh my gosh, look at this stuff. Look at the size. Look at the size. Look at the ground. Look right here. Look at the ground. Look at how tall that is. You see that like giant hill? The snow? Kick it! Kick the snow! There you go. Take it off. Take it off. Oh.
You done?
Yeah.
Ready for your pack battle?
Yeah, we're all ready for a pack. Hello, everybody. We
Get this over with.
ready.
Get this over
I
with.
want to play in the snow.
That comes later. Alligator.
No. It comes now. Alakabao.
All right, well, are we ready? All right. All right, chat. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. We're like, what is it? It's like 4 o'clock. Hold on, let's read that. Hello, chat. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. It's like 4 o'clock, so we got half the day to go. And we're going to do a pack battle.
Yep.
Of 151 versus Journey Together. Of course, Lilybug at Crumpster2 gets to pick. What do you want? 151 or Journey Together? Last time you got Journey Together. You want 151? 151? 151? Alright, I got Journey Together. We got 6 boosters in each one, so we're going to do a 12-pack battle. 151. Not easy to get a hold of. Alright. Ready?
Okay,
Let the video commence so we can go play in the snow. So we can play in the snow.
oh,
Yeah.
wait, I think I got it. I think I did this. How do I figure this?
Here's one open.
Gotta catch it.
Gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. They slide. Look. Oh.
But I also have 151 boxes because
They slide. I'm gonna save these to put cards in, just because they're cool.
also because they are like
Gotta catch 'em all.
just like the most perfect.
You like them because they're like the originals.
And also they have 151 of the normal Pokemon, which are like from the beginning of them.
They're like the original cards.
Yeah. My packs are all out. I just need to get this pack out.
Oh, get the butts. Here we go. It's harder to get the plastic off the boxes than to even do anything. There we go.
Yeah, we.
Journey Together. Boop. That's what they look like.
Okay, I'm gonna separate them from the first box, from the second box. Okay. I want to put them together. Put my packs together.
There we go.
Okay.
Order they came out of the box, going down.
Me first.
Me first.
Me first, I said. We're going to use your sliders for Pokemon trash.
151.
Okay. Mine first. Okay. So, the cool camera. It's pretty cool.
Mine that camera.
The Poliwag. The Ponyta. Pika Pika! Nidorino. Golduck.
Here, just do that camera. Don't worry about the other one.
Okay.
'Cause
Coffee.
You can't see anything anymore.
Growlithe. Oh man. I got that couple up. Oh, wait, this energy looks really cool. Look at it, guys. See that shines? You see that?
You got shiny energy?
See it? Like, shine it.
Yeah, you got shiny energy. I think that's a hit.
Here's a shiny energy if you want it. Just type in that code. Shiny energy.
Gotta catch him all. You gotta remember, 151 cards are different. They're like the original, so. My first pack.
Hold up, let me reorganize your packs because I have a pretty bad card.
Oh, yeah. I have them the way they came out of the box. That way, if it comes from the beginning of the box, then it's the first pack pulled. If it's the second pack, then it's the second. You can flip them.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
There you go.
Maybe like turn them the way so they can actually see it to the camera.
I thought you meant you were going to shuffle them. All right, here we go. I wanted to know if they where they come out in line. All right, here we go.
We can put our hits here. Inside the middle. Your hits over here, my hits over here.
Green energy. We didn't guess.
Oh, yeah.
No guessing. We didn't guess.
I'm just going to put our cards here, I guess.
My favorite little mouse. Hop, skip, and a band. Hoopla, he's really good in Pokemon Go. Oh!
Wait, no way, I just got that.
Yes, we did.
That's Journey Together, too, by the way. That's
Journey
nice.
Together.
Surprised Journey Together even had that. Oh, I see a keeper that I want to keep. Can I keep this card?
They're all your cards.
I know, but I really like a Verizon. Verizon. Say Verizon card.
Does it really say Verizon?
Yes, Verizon.
Oh, I thought you meant Verizon Wireless. What are you talking about?
I know.
Why do you have a Verizon Wireless card?
My non-hints will go down here. Non-hits go right here.
Okay, you're up.
So seems good.
Okay.
Scissors right there. I need the scissors then.
Getting ready. A new penny sleeve for you. Your hits, my hits. No, those are hits. They're not non-hits. Especially the shiny energy. Shiny energy might be worth something. You gotta remember, these are 151. I never opened
like
151.
EXs in the full art.
I don't think there is EXs in 151. I don't think there might be 4. I don't know.
There's no hits.
Well, it's the same as the original Pokemon, I do believe, which means they're going to be like this. I don't know. Maybe.
No hits.
It's on the floor.
They're really tiny trash. And the tiny trash.
I know. You got to clean it afterwards, and you're like, you don't want to clean it. You don't want to clean it.
What, no satisfying sound?
That is satisfying.
How did I possibly do that with no satisfying sound? Okay. This could be like no like ancients or anything.
You can't even see that.
I'm gonna write cat up high. Eevee.
Gotta catch him.
Quindom Fossil. Nidoqueen. Rick Doorbell. Big air balloon. Cloyster, which actually has like a pretty cool shiny. Cabba, Kadabra, and Electrode.
Cloyster.
It's Electrode. Leaf Energy.
Electrode. She got an Electrode. These go here with your semi-hits. Oh wait, you got another one. Kadabra. Abra. Kadabra. Abra. Kadabra.
Oh, we put them up.
My turn. We're going with, is that Chansley?
Chansley?
No, that's not Chansley.
No.
That's Khalif. I forget her name.
Her name?
Yeah, this
What if it's a
Pokemon.
boy? What if the Pokemon's a boy?
I don't think it's a, well, they probably have a boy and a girl, actually.
That is a boy.
It's Clarify. Something like that.
Clarify.
I don't know.
Spotify, that's the name.
I don't like her. Not my favorite Pokemon. Boo! We forgot to vote on the energy once again.
Whee!
Koala bear, coughing germs, puppet to snuff it.
What?
I don't know. Lily's pearl. There's a Lily's. Chico the mouse. Cloth. Hey, I just got him on Pokemon Go. He was a new one that just added. And I've gotten so many of him.
Who?
But it's not a Team Rocket's Tyrannosaur, at least this time. That's it. There we go.
I feel like mines are going to be all bad, so there's going to be no hits inside this pack. If you're doing 151, there's going to be no hits. Trust me.
Neither one of these have a lot of hits. Journey Together and
No,
151.
They don't even have any hits.
But 151 has some hits. 151 has valuable hits, I mean, if you can get them. These, I don't even know if they have valuable hits. They might, I don't know. I don't know much about Journey Together.
What up? Satisfying.
What energy are you guessing?
Fire, psychic.
I'm guessing
Fire
electric.
or psychic?
Electronic.
Far-fetched.
I can't see. You're too far away.
Too far away or too close?
No, you're good. I'll just look at the screen.
Magma. Lapis. Bills transfer. Oh, go back. Slow. I think I just got a full art. I did.
If you get a full art 151, I think that's pretty
I
good.
got a full art.
I think that's pretty good.
And then BJ.
Oh, it's
Bose Dark Energy.
the snail. Snail. So there you go. That answers your question. They do have illustration rares, and they do have illustration rares in 151.
You better put that inside of a case and put it inside my hits.
Oh, that's definitely your hits, and it's definitely worth more than my EX.
Yeah, clearly.
Clearly, she said.
It's a full illustration. People don't like the EXs.
People like EXs. Not as much as a full illustration, what they like. People like everything. As long as you like the art, you can't go wrong. I think you are winning the pack battle, though. You got I've never gotten a shiny energy. I don't know. Might be worth something. Actually, I think I might have gotten one a while ago. Like a long while ago.
One? Excuse me. Whenever you threw it, it was stuck on my sock, and I had to grab it and take it off my sock.
Oh, we didn't guess the energy. We're horrible at this.
My hair was giving you.
We are horrible.
Lucky hair. I'm giving you bad luck now.
If you want to see more videos like this, like and
I
subscribe.
give you bad luck with my
You
hair.
gotta like and subscribe. That way we can make more videos. Because
Last
you
video
gotta
we did?
catch them all. We're doing a video instead of a live stream because the live streams just don't get a lot of hits. Oh, I like that card a lot. Don't pull on it.
That's my hit now. This is my hit.
I like that. It's a wolf. It's a full
You
art.
don't even know what the wolf's name is?
Oh,
It's like my 7th favorite Pokemon. You got some Rockruff.
How do you pronounce it?
Huh?
I call him Lot. I know his evolved form. I don't know that. How do you pronounce that one?
Excuse me.
Let me put it in a sleeve first before you start ripping it in half. There you go. Now you can beat it up. No, you didn't even read it. What's it called?
Okay.
You're better at reading.
Rockruff.
You're better at reading than I am.
Rockruff is the beginning form. By the way, this one is the evolved inside the daytime. Unless you get the one inside the nighttime.
I can't even see it. Let me see.
That's for the morning one.
Lycanroc.
That's the morning one.
It's a lichen. It's a werewolf. Lycanroc. That's how you spell it. Like a lichen's like a werewolf. That's my hit. What are you doing? You put it on your pile. Get out of here. I think you're trying to cheat. I see she just nonchalantly slides it on her pile. They're all yours anyway. They're going to your stash, your Pokemon stash.
Are they though?
Well, they might. Some of them might not. Some of them get sold. Some of them get sold to further fund these videos.
Yeah.
Like Mr. Lycan. Lycanroc. I don't think I have him in Pokemon Go. That's the only thing I play is Pokemon Go. Well, we played on the Nintendo, on the old Nintendo. We played like all the colors with your brother when he was really young. I still have some of them. Oh, actually, speak of the devil, I got one right here. Oh, Pokemon White. I bought this for somebody's birthday like 8 years ago for that price. Never even opened it. I also got this. The reason they're in this drawer is because I'm about to resell them.
Actually, can I just have them? But
we don't have a Game Boy DS anymore. Anybody wants them? They're for sale. I don't know how much they're worth nowadays. That price is like 8 years old. that price, that reflects 8 years ago or 10.
Maybe it'll be better, though. Could be more money. Oh, whoa!
What'd you get?
Look at the bottom. It's rainbow.
Pidgeotto?
It's rainbow at the bottom. Whoa! Venusaur EX, and it shines with stars.
Ooh, that might be good.
Shines with stars.
I like Pidgeot. He turns into Pidgeotto.
Psychic energy. Nobody.
I'm putting Pidgeot in the sleeve because I like him.
You like him?
I like him.
I have a Pidgeot EX inside the Pokemon card game.
You got a Venusaur EX. He might be...
Venusaur?
A Venusaur.
Yes.
I call it anything different. Venusaur. He does have venom, poison as a ability, so I call him Venusaur. But he's
Venusaur.
But he's a Venusaur.
Call him Venusaur.
Very nice card, I think. You got two nice ones so far. Look.
Excuse me.
Both very nice.
You said no care for that shiny element, and you just literally... You were the one who just ripped the shiny element a bit.
Well, it should be in a case.
No, it's like the full case. It's instead of one of those little...
Gotta catch him! Oh, we're out of top loaders. This is the last one.
We should buy more now.
We should buy... We should...
Buy 10 more.
We're not buying anything for at least another 2 weeks. Because I'm broke! Broke!
Ow, my ears.
Oh, here we go.
I just heard the most weirdest sound from our house.
It's a snowplow trying to plow up our 4 feet of snow. At the beginning of this post, actually we'll do that. At the beginning of this post, we'll show you how much snow is outside. And we're only halfway through the day. It's not a lot, but it's a good bit. Your turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, you got Venusaur.
But then you got this guy afterwards.
No, these are yours. I didn't get him.
No, you did.
That's 151. JTG. Oh. Is that me?
Yours, yes. Mine says NEW.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Mine says new.
All right.
It's my turn.
Are you sure? We'll say it's your turn. I think it's my turn, but...
Yeah, it is your turn, but it's my turn.
No, yeah.
No.
All kinds of cheating going on today. She just wants to get back to streaming Tomb Raider. We are streaming Tomb Raider. We got 2 more levels since the last time we told you we were streaming Tomb Raider last night.
I just want content.
She just wants content. She wants you to like and subscribe. Energy that nobody guessed.
Unless you guessed it. You can guess the energy.
Torchic. Black Belt's training.
I give you bad luck.
During this turn, attacks used by your opponent do 40 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon EX before applying weakness and resistance.
You're taking up my time. I'm giving you bad luck.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I already have that with Pop Art.
I'm sorry. What about that one? That one's cool. Is that what they're called? Pop art?
Yeah, take the pot. Yeah, it's pot. Oh, I don't have that one yet.
Travesaur.
I should just not say anything because I just gave you good luck for saying bad luck. Your PS5 is entering rest mode in 10 minutes.
Why is it always doing that? Can't you see we're streaming?
It's trying to power save.
It's trying to kick me off Twitch.
Oh. It was a bit satisfying, actually.
Tomb Raider.
Doing fast.
I'm trying to pause it.
Bro.
Why is it doing this?
This is a take a choice right now. Persian mutton.
I'll just pause it. I don't know how to turn it off. What'd you get?
Nothing good.
Nothing, honey.
Nothing.
Lily can't catch him all. Why, you got Mr. Rhyme.
Mr. Rhyme?
Mr. Rhyme. Oh, you got a Clarify too. That's his name. A Clarifairy. Clarify. Clarifairy. Clarifairy.
Clefairy.
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 I always call him a Clarifairy. Or Clarify. Clarify.
Clarify?
I don't know. I call everything what I want to call it.
Fee.
I literally make up names.
Fee.
I make up names for every Pokemon.
No, and you just start to take it. I got you. I got you.
It's on the 90s view of Tomb Raider.
No, Haya's going through her shuttles.
Hold on.
Shuttles?
The chat can't see. Let's see. there's Tomb Raider.
No, Haya's going through her shoulders.
Alright, here we go. Worry about the chat, not the TV, or I gotta turn it off. I'm just gonna turn it off because she has ADHD. She can't focus on two things at once.
I can.
No, you can't. It's humanly impossible for you.
It is not. I don't watch TV and play my iPad at the same exact time.
Alright, here we go. I don't even know what that is. What's that? I know what he turns in. Or I know.
Siliphy. Siliphy. Siliphy.
Boom, chicka, boom, chicka, boom, boom, boom. A bagoon! A bagoon. Hip Hop Anonymous. Hop Snorlax. That's it. That's my hit. And a basic energy. I guess Snorlax was my hit. That's it? Oh, here was it. It was Hop's Choice, which was the other reverse hello or whatever. Your turn. Oh, Bagoon. Bagoon was shiny too. A shiny goon. Tin Man. What?
I said money, money, money.
Money, money, money. Molly, molly, molly.
Woolly wonton.
I could eat some cheesy wonton.
I said woolly wonton, not Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka.
I said Willy Wonka. Satisfying.
Why do I feel like this Trianosaur is worth something?
Okay, guess the energy.
Steel.
Psychic? Maybe dark.
Steel. The steel. The steel. Hey, that's a pop art.
Oh. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If that's what they're called. Going off your word.
You know
a
that's
lot
what
of them.
everybody else calls them. This evolves.
Yeah. What's his name when he evolves?
Clefairy. No, that's the first one I did.
Clefable? Clefable?
Ooh, a Jolteon. Ooh.
What'd you get?
Look at the Jolteon go like, wow, wow.
That might be worse. Let me see it. Is it just a rare?
It's a fighting energy.
Oh, you got another shiny energy.
Oh, yeah. Except this time it is circles, not stars. I mean diamonds. Okay, so
Somebody somewhere collects shiny energy. Somebody somewhere collects shiny energies. If you could get a shiny PSA 10 energy, it might be worth something. My turns. My girl. Talking about my girl. If you missed our last stream, we did a pack battle last night, actually. We talked about in the mail we're going to be getting a box of 90s Pogs, and we're going to do a live Pog unboxing with battle. We're going to do a Pog battle. If you want to watch that.
Give everything to me if it's that QR code thing.
Yeah, because if nobody uses them, they're all still good.
These QR codes at me, so keep it up there.
They're probably all still good, because I don't think anyone even watches this stuff. Larvae.
This is like a live stream. Maybe they
a bell drum. Bell bond. Joyce dug too deep.
Let me open up my pack real quick.
That's pretty cool art. I like that. Look at that.
It's not even pop art, but...
I know, it's not pop art. But... And a Snorlax. I think I already got him.
Why did this pack do this? It just had a random lump and a bump.
A lump and a bump?
Yeah, it's a lump and a bump.
It was a lump and a bump.
Okay, now the pack just doesn't want to open. Okay, my turn.
It's a lump and a bump, as she says. Everything deserves a penny sleeve because they're only a penny. They're only a penny.
Why is it called a penny sleeve, though?
Because at one point in time, they were a penny a piece.
Okay, here it comes.
I'm guessing fighting.
Look at the lumpy bump.
A lumpy bump. I'm guessing fighting.
Lumpy bump. Lumpy bump.
It's probably a sin to open 151 boxes, but you know, we do it for you guys. We do it for you guys. What have you gotten so far out of the two? Oh, that's not bad.
Coffee. Here I go. Oh, my sneezing card. My sneezing.
You got another shiny. Might as well just get it out now. Fire! Shiny fire.
I didn't even guess. I was going to guess when I was at.
Does that mean that's your hit?
Onyx. Okay, yeah, that was my hit. I got a Nidoran. Why is there a circle?
Oh no, that's your hit. That's your hit right there.
There's a side up behind the Nidoran.
That was her hit. A Nidoking.
Keep the scissors right here, okay?
Okay, Mrs.
Bug. Organize this.
Ms. Bug. Is there a Mr. Bug? Ms. Bug?
Why are you doing this when it could be even? Well, I'm just taking around the whole entire pack. By the way, moving on to box number 2. So let's hope that box number 2 has better luck.
Is that box 2?
Yes. This
1,
is box
2, 3, 4, 5. You already cracked into box 2.
No?
Yeah, because there's 6 in each one, right?
No, there's 5 in each one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I did my last one.
No, 6. 6 booster boxes.
Oh.
I think you skipped me.
Yeah, I was trying to get away.
Probably when I went to turn the TV off. You probably snuck one in.
No? No? What do you mean? Literally, we wanted this video and we went to go pause the TV.
Somewhere along the line, I was cheated out of a turn. There you go.
Thank you.
Energy.
Category is electric energy.
A Doran.
Energy. Electric. Pikachu. Charmander.
Bombardier. What if I was in the army and I was a bombardier? Gee, I keep getting the mouse, the Chico.
The Chico.
Chico.
Oh, that's pop. That's a cool shiny thing. And also it's a good
That's what we got.
Cool.
See a shiny? Shiny hiney?
A shiny with
Your
a
turn.
hiney. It's a shiny that has a hiney.
No hiney. We haven't gotten anything really spectacular since we've been streaming, I don't think. Like, we've gotten some good stuff, but nothing.
Don't play with scissors, Dad.
I know. It's my golden rule here. Although I do like this lichen. Like this lichen rock. Like rock. I don't even know how to spell it. Or pronounce it.
Okay.
I just don't know anymore.
Most satisfied thing ever.
You don't know? You don't show? You don't know what's
That's
happening
the
in
energy.
there?
Electric energy. Sorry, I meant to say fighting energy. Maybe dark energy?
Water.
Water?
Agua.
Agua.
Yeah, turn them a little bit. They're reflecting.
Ooh, energy sticker is a whole entire sticker. This, you need this to tell which energies there are, okay?
I know, right? Because I don't know.
You keep that. You keep that.
Is that all of them?
Time? Yes.
How come fairy's not in there anymore? Is it gone?
Fairy, yeah, they don't use it as an energy anymore. Oh, but this is my head.
How'd you get a shiny already?
I got the fighting energy!
Yeah, you got him.
Pats on that. Pats on that.
And you got him. You got the... Where's your fighting energy? Oh, I thought it was a shiny one.
I just said that I guessed fire energy. So.
You pulled this one shiny way before you were even supposed to pull shinies.
What one shiny?
Where's your cards at?
I don't know. It's the second card that I pulled. Or maybe the first. I don't know. I just pulled a shiny.
I don't know what's going on here anymore.
You know, you open 2 packs and
so I can catch up.
Yeah, and I'm gonna go take a drink.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 2-pack slap. A 2-pack Chapam. Lily and a bam. Bam diggity. Ooh dee. Lily in the bum diggity. Here we go. You're back already?
Just had to find my Pokémon. Okay. Give that code to me.
There's your code. Basic.
You didn't even guess the energy.
You were gone. Who was I going to base it to? Myself?
Yeah, base it to the viewers. Well,
There's no viewers. This is a video, not a live stream.
Say it for after this is posted.
I know it feels like a live stream because this is how we live stream, but it's not. Hip hop, babe. Oh! Oh! Now that's got to be a good card.
Oh, Zation. That's a Zation.
Yeah, and it's an ultra rare. I mean, it's not a
Put
uber rare, but it's still good.
Put it in all the cases. I want to check what it's.
All the cases in the world.
Yes, put it inside every single case. Get it graded. Do everything.
Well, let's see if we can grade it. Well, we could, but
try it.
It's top heavy. The centering on the top's way like almost double the bottom, and the right's a little off. I mean, yeah, it's just top heavy. It would come back at 9 for sure, and that's without even looking at the surface. But it's still pretty cool. Maybe we can send it to tag. If you repeatedly send it to tag, eventually the AI will miss the centering and you'll get a 10. That's just how it works.
Insta Strike. This attack does 30 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. When you play weakness and resistance for bench Pokemon.
That's a cool card. That's a good one.
Brave Slash. 240 damage! But during the next turn, this Pokemon can't use Brave Slash, which does make sense. Oh,
he's a legendary, isn't he? Or is he a mythical? Oh, I missed it up. I missed it up. All right, here we go.
Where did I put my Propel? I can put it here now. With the cards. These cards.
I'm doing 2 to catch up. Baby tomato. Squished and said ketchup.
The baby ketchup went behind. And then
the
dad
another
came
one.
back, squished him,
Another
and
hit.
said ketchup.
Yesterday I got all the hits, and today I'm getting all the hits. I told you to pick Journey together to redeem yourself from yesterday because you only got like one really good hit. But I know it's hard to give up opening 151. You made the right choice. Even if you don't get a bunch of hits, you still got to open 151, which makes it all worthwhile.
Which I also got.
Which makes it all worthwhile.
You need an EX? How do you get an EX? Wait, this is stuck together. Oh, there you go. I also got the Okikiri one.
Yeah, but if you pull one good card out of 151, you definitely made more money than all mine combined.
Hey, Dad.
Your turn.
Do I still have to finish eating my pancakes?
How about you worry about the stream?
I want to know that, though. What about after the stream?
We're down to 3 packs
Trying to organize
versus 4 packs.
And there we go.
Anything can happen.
Oh, organize.
Anything can happen.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Yep, I know. Did you open 2 packs? Ketchup?
We got a lot more packs in the back, too, but we're going to save them. We were going to do a massive unboxing during the snowstorm, but We don't get a lot of viewers on live streams, so there's no point in opening thousands of packs of Pokemon cards for like 10 people to view. It's just not feasible. So we get, if you like and subscribe, we can open more stuff. Every week we buy more. That's cool art. There's another pop art.
Okay.
Look at that. There's that one.
Yep.
Dragonite.
Dragonair.
Dragonair. I'm sorry.
Dragonair.
Sorry.
No, Dragonair. Because the dragon wants the air.
Dragon wants air.
Charmander, which is a shiny.
Now we need the Charizard.
Monly.
Charizard. At least you got the first one.
Oh wait, we should guess the energy since it's right here, okay?
Fighting.
Water. Electric. It's dark.
You alright over there?
Yeah.
Did we get the, what's after Charmander? The Charmeleon. Charmeleon. Hey, McChomp's pretty cool. McChamp. Is it McChomp? McChamp. And then it's McChomp. McChomp, then McChamp. Why are you putting the energy on here?
I don't know. Where does that go? Oh, it goes over there.
It's just a base card. I'm putting them in here. I should put them in the 151 cases and then throw
No,
these away.
these are for really good. Those are for okay. Those are just for the
No,
cards.
these are bulk card holders. The good ones go in our good binder. Our good case. Alright, are we even now? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. I'll make a deal with you.
What?
We will do guess the energy. If you get the energies right, we can open up 2 more packs and do a 2-pack battle of Destined Rivals or something. Or not.
And it could be counted to our hits. Whatever we get could be counted for our hits.
It can be counted for your hit. You want them, right? You should. I don't know why you don't play that game. You play the other game where you open packs. I hear it's pretty fun. It's called like TCG Player Live, maybe. I don't know.
No, the one that I'm playing is called TGC. TGC Pokemon. No, card pack something. Maybe.
Hey, here's the first
battle
one.
pack?
Oh no, that's still the same one. It's just not a shine. It's not a full art.
Yeah. The full arts are pretty cool though.
We haven't gotten to stage 2.
I mean, I have a 2-star.
I bet the stage 2. I bet the stage 2 of him is the SAR.
What do you mean stage 2?
Because we got this one, or I got this one as a stage 1. So I bet the stage 2 is him evolved. Because that's just a illustration. So the ultra illustration rare is probably the second stage.
Which could be the dark one, maybe?
We don't know because we never got the EBT of this pack because all the scalpers buy everything. So this is the second Journey Together stuff we've even found. We haven't found any Journey Together. We did a Journey Together pool last night. A card battle. Your turn.
Oh, yeah, my brain is not even looking at the cards and I can still open them.
The ones we got last night that you watched live, we got at the Dollar General. Which I got a lot. No, you got those and you didn't get much hits. But the ones I got from Walmart, we got a lot of hits on. You gonna make it? You want me to open them?
My brain doesn't want to cooperate with this pack.
Ooh, a Mew pack.
I don't think
A Mew. Oh, 2 Mew packs. You got 2. Are they all Mew?
Mew packs?
Are they?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Every single one I opened was a Mew pack. So that's fine.
That's the only art they have is Mew?
Yes. By the way, yes, it is called Shady Card Game Live. The one that you play. Not me. Dog Duo.
A ditto. A
Ditto?
A ditto. Ditto means 2, too.
Oh,
Ditto.
look. It's a rainbow.
What?
It's a rainbow at the bottom.
How do you know that?
It's a rainbow. Look, it's rainbowy at the bottom of
I
the
don't
sea.
know where you're seeing a rainbow.
How do you
Oh,
not see?
there's like a weird...
Yes.
Is that a thing?
Maybe it's good. Maybe for 151 it's good or something.
This one has a rainbow, too.
Maybe they're both good.
A god duck.
Or
Side duck.
maybe a mate. Ooh.
Side duck.
Wait, how do you evolve from an old amber?
Aerodactyl.
How do you evolve from an old amber? Oh, electric energy notifies to gas.
That's a cool drawing. I don't know if that's worth anything, but look what she just pulled. It's like an Aerodactyl with like a cool... Comes from an amber.
Nothing like that.
Evolve... Now where are you going?
Sorry.
You need a nap. Your birthday party last year was too much for you.
No.
I'm putting that into hits because I think that's pretty cool.
By the way, this phone turned off, so it's not recording. My phone did.
Yeah, I figured that. Probably died.
No, I don't think so. Did it? Is it still recording? Probably stopped recording.
It wasn't. It couldn't see anything we were doing anyway. How about that?
That works. That works. Actually, that's a good.
Your turn.
What?
You got 2 packs. It's your turn.
No, it's your turn. I just won.
Oh, my turn.
I'm
Come
gonna
on.
check.
Get in the camera.
I want to check to make sure.
Come on.
But I want to check.
We got 2 packs left, then you can check.
But then if it's wrong, then we won't be able to do it.
I know. We got 2 packs, and then you can run off and do what you need
That's
to
good.
do.
That's actually good. That does look good.
Water energy. Oh, plop a scot. Plop a scot.
I'm just making sure. I'm hungry.
Ooh. Womp, womp, womp. Your turn. You only got 2 packs to go. Then we can play in the snow and eat and do whatever.
Eat, snow, potentially.
Even though you just ate like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm hungry all the time. First, I only am full for 5 minutes, and then the other 5 minutes, I'm starving. Oh, it's rainbow again at the bottom, and it's a shiny. Again?
Ooh.
Again?
Is that the same one?
Again?
That is the same one. Oh, and a shiny energy.
Oh, whoa, that shiny energy looks different from the double dark energy.
Why can't you get an illustration rare? 151 is hard. It's a hard thing to get. Wait, is this the same Venusaur EX that comes with the boxes I have? That's what I'd like. Look how many shiny energies you got. I got 2 fires. She got 2 fires.
Wagging my invisible tail.
You're gonna be wagging the unemployment line tail in a minute.
What?
Because you're fired.
Ah! Oh yay! I don't want to have a job. Yippee!
Because you're fired.
I don't want to have no job.
Well, this was your idea. You thought it was gonna be easy.
This is a hobby, not a job.
That's right, it is. But you thought it was gonna be a fun hobby.
It is a fun hobby.
All right, here we go.
Daddy's music plays in my head.
Last one, last pack magic. Last pack magic.
I'm gonna look on the live stream. I hope it's good.
Nope. Well, they're all good, but not for me. Your turn.
Okay. You have no pack. You want to open this pack together?
No, I don't want to open it together. They want to see you open it, not me. I have to be in a video or YouTube bans us. Here we go.
Okay, let's speed run. Ready? Go.
Speed run into a Charizard, if they even have Charizard. 150. Yeah, it has the base Charizard, I think. Should. Oh, that's cool. Let me see that.
Mewtwo!
Oh, Mewtwo!
A speed run from Mewtwo.
Oh, it's just a rare, though. Maybe that's good, though. I don't know.
It's a Mewtwo. giving all the credit to this little thing, not to me to not to me to cut.
I don't know if yours has. Well, it has an EX, so that means I didn't think it even had EXs. I thought it was supposed to be just like the base cards. Well, maybe the base cards have EXs. Huh?
No. It has all the normal Pokemon, but they
The
still
151.
have Gigantamax, they still have EX, they still have everything.
So it's just the original 151 Pokemon,
Yeah,
but they also
still
have
have the EXs
and
and
full
they have
arts
the full
and
arts,
stuff.
they still have everything.
Cool bone. Cool bone. Are you done? Are you finally done, Mr. Grumps?
Not even
Mrs. Grumps?
I'm hungry.
Mrs. Hungry Grumps?
I'm hangry.
She's hangry. Alright. That's we're not streaming. I keep thinking we're streaming because we're on OBS. Alright, well, that's a video. We're gonna go. We're hangry. We're too hangry to continue. Alright.